Hello everyone, welcome to the channel once again. Please, we have another past question that look very simple but very trickish. So please don't forget to subscribe for daily tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe for your past question. This is why past questions are solved every day. So don't forget to subscribe and then drop a comment in the comment section in case of any difficulty solving this one. So please don't forget, sometimes I put a PDF in the comment section. The links are there to download, but just subscribe first, then you'll get a PDF. Thank you for watching. Now let's start. So the question is solve and graph the inequality. So how are you going to do this? First, we are going to solve the question, then we put the answer on the graph. So we have -3, we have -3 less than 7, -2x less than or greater than or greater than 7. So like this, what we are going to do now is we are going to find the value of x, or the element of x. How do you do that? First, you are going to move or make this -2x or x the subject. You want the x to stand alone by grouping the like terms. So now we are going to move this 7 to where the numbers are, so that it will not be with the variable. So to do that, we are going to subtract 7 from all the sizes. So now let's start. You write -3, then you subtract 7 from -3 less than 7, you subtract 7 from this side too, then you bring -2x, then less than or equal to 7, then you subtract the 7 also from this side. Now let's work it out. So now we have -3, -7, which is what going to give you -10, because it means like you are owing someone 2 people, and all your total debt is -10, meaning that it's a negative you have to give to the person back. Now let's move on. So, and then you bring less than, then this place you have 7 -7, meaning that you have 7 cedi and you are owing someone 7 cedi. So when you pay out, you have nothing again. So 7 will take care of this 7. So now we have -2x, and then less than or greater than. So here too, this 7 will take care of this one, because this positive 7, -7. So it's like you are owing someone 7 cedis, and then now today you have 7 cedis. When you pay off, you leave nothing, so you have 0 here. Now let's move on. So what do you do now? You want the x to stand alone. We don't want 2x. So we divide all the sizes by -2 by -2. So this way, what do you do next? So here, this negative is going to cancel the one at the top, so the answer will become 5. And then this signs, this less than sign will not be the same, because the sign on the 10 has changed from negative to positive. So this symbol too will change as well, change from this less than to greater than, because the previous sign is negative, but this side you are not having negative any longer, but you rather have positive. So we need to change the sign to the other way. And then this place too, this will cancel this, and then we living with x. And then when we come here, the same thing, this negative is going to cancel this one. Already we have 0, so when we divide it by this, it's undefined, the answer will be 0. Because of negative going to enter this one, you are going to change this to greater than or less than 0. So now this is how we solve it. So let's now put it on the number line. We are going to graph it. So graphing this, now let's graph the answer. Graphing the answer, it's like x is what? X is 5 0. So you draw a number line. Put a number 5 greater than x greater than or less than 0. So how do you do this one? Let me draw a number line, then I'll number it. So in this case, I want positive side to have more numbers, because the number line, on this number line, we need more positive numbers. So that's why I make the positive side longer than the negative side. Yes, you have this and this. So how do you plot this answer on the number line? So what we are going to do is, this one is actually saying that we have some elements or some numbers. Actually, those numbers start from 0 and they are more than 0. But actually the first number is 0, and then the rest of them, they are more than 0, but actually less than 5, meaning that the 5 is not part, but 0 is part. So we stand on that, and the 0, then you draw a closed circle. You're going to use closed circle because the closed circle is actually telling us that this very number is included in the element of x. So you make this one closed circle, then you extend it to this number 5 on the number line here. This 5, we are not going to use closed circle because the 5 is not included. So in this case, you use open circle, and then the meaning of open circle in this case is, it is telling us that the 5 on this number is not included in the element of x or the value of x. So this is how you solve this question. So please don't forget to subscribe for daily videos and the free PDF. Don't forget to subscribe, even share it in your various school groups. This channel is purposely for the higher school student, basically the WASSCE student and the SATS final student. So please subscribe for more video. Thank you very much.